Hey guys, Deepak Shukla here, founder at Pearl Lemon Leads, and we've got an incredible offer to help you set up a lead generation machine for your business that runs on autopilot. So the cost to get this campaign set up and running is literally $1. Yep, you heard that right, $1. And what we're going to do for you within that is set up a cold email machine, a LinkedIn lead generation machine, whereby you're going to see emails, in some cases hundreds of emails going out per week and hundreds of LinkedIn messages going out per week. And all you need to do is top up the campaigns with new contacts from time to time. We'll provide you a process for that, as well as then just manage the replies that are coming in. And what we're going to do is get everything set up for you. So based upon your ideal customer profile, based upon the geography, the size of business, the number of employees, and anything that you know would constitute the ideal customer is going to be given to you for the initial setup. So we'll set up the cold email system, we'll set up the LinkedIn lead generation system, and then once we have got all of the pieces in place, you're going to have a system that sends out anything in excess of 50 to 100 emails a day, as well as sending out hundreds potentially of LinkedIn messages per week. So imagine having a lead generation system that works for you. This is the same system, for reference, that we're using for ourselves. We're generating anything from 10 to 20 actual leads per day. Yep, you heard that right, per day. And you will also right now see evidence of that in place. Every day we're getting leads that are coming in for the range of offers and opportunities that we have. And we'll also build out the email copy, we'll build out the LinkedIn lead generation copy. We'll help you craft an incredible offer within the context of your business to ensure that you get prospects lining up into your inbox every single day. My name is Deepak Shukla. I'm the founder of Pearl Lemon Leads. We generate thousands of leads for our customers and have developed a system that delivers millions in pipeline value. Really excited for you to get on board with this journey. Let's do this.